Whew, I am so glad that's over with. And see everything from here that way, hit the light switch, goodbye. All three of those lights are off. It almost looks like that one's on back there, but it's not. It's just the light that's reflecting, you know, where the pole chain one was. I'll go come back down here. See, it's pitch black. Pitch black. So I've got three electrical outlets back here, 3 lights, powered up the couch and all that. Man, and see this area right here is only on, it is only having light right now because of my construction light. Okay, see, that's on. There's my crawl hole. But see, even I turn the light off. Look at that. You can't see squat in here. And later in the afternoon, evening, this light goes away. And so what do you suppose my next project is going to be? Well, not my exact next project, but see, I'm gonna put a light up here, and I'll put the light switch by the crawl hole door with an electrical outlet, fish it up, put a light in there, and then I'll put a light. I'll put a light out here, you know, up in that high bit, and that'll tie off of a different circuit. Okay, and I'll have to find one. I'll find one in the bedrooms or something. Then I'm going to have to go from the bedroom on down. I'm not sure exactly where the wire is going to come down, you know. And pretty much I'll end up doing the same thing that I did over there. And, you know, if I end up coming down here, guess what? Instead of just being a junction box, I'll put an electrical outlet. There it'll be the junction box too. I do have another electrical outlet, as you will remember, right next to my light switch. Isn't that nice? Kaboom. And this place is going to be styling. It's going to get to a point where I'm not even going to want to go up. I'm going to want to stay down here and work. I'll end up working down here, getting all the wood out of here, cleaning up, tightening bolts, fixing insulation, pipe insulation around the water lines, some air conditioning, duct work, restrapping, all kinds of stuff. When I do that, you know, I'll make videos of that too. Don't worry, man. So this is it for this time. That's all I got for this time. Whew. But I'll be back with more videos. Well, I can mark that one off my list, no doubt. Newsflash. Remember, I thought these lights were going to stay on the whole time? Well, there's a little seeing eye in there, so when you put your cup in there, it lights up. Or if you put your hand in there, I think right in here, see? Look at, it's on now. Now it's off. I'm just running my finger on there. Now it's on. Yep. That's kind of slick. And then after a few seconds, it'll go off. Or after you pull your cup out, or whatever. I don't know. It's just something they do. Just glad to know that those don't stay on all day long.